Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So this beautiful journal is by the Tiny Crafter, and it goes to Donna, powered by creativity. How amazing is this cover? Okay, she sent a card. Let me open it. Look how this, Anna, I need to know how you glue. Did you use art glitter glue?
What are they?
To glue vellum? Because I didn't know if that worked, but I love this. There is a card that says, hello there. And it goes, hi Jan, thank you for hosting this wonderful swap. This is my first altered book and I really enjoyed making it. Also, thank you for sharing your knowledge and creativity. You help so many of us become better crafters. You have always pushed my creativity to higher levels. You are a great friend. Hugs, Anna, the Tiny Crafter. So sweet. And then there's these little bags, and I don't know if I should open them, but there's two, so I'm assuming one. Are they the same? It looks like they're the same. So I'm going to open one because I'm assuming one's for me and the other one is for the other person. There's this cute little book. So cute. And then there's also, oh wow, she sent Halloween trim. Fall. And this could be Christmas and fall. This is so cute. And then, she's so generous. There's a little pin. How cute is this? And then there's this little bitty box that have these stickers in there. Oh, you're so sweet. So sweet. Okay. So I'm going to put this all back in the little bag. And it does look like this has something in there. Probably going in person. But, I mean, guys. So, Anna, just so you know, I am literally stealing this idea. So this idea you will see on the next book I make because I love this. Look how pretty this is. And then look how she's got, I don't even know how she did this. So she has a bookmark, right? Two bookmarks, but this is attached. And she made this little loop that is holding this tassel, which is genius. Please tell us how you do it. And when you're making your book, do a tutorial on it. I mean, so good. So look at her closure. I mean, the fabric is so good, and then she's got this amazing trim, and it's doubled up, so she must have folded it in half. That goes all the way around here. Wow, Donna, this is an amazing book, and Anna, amazing. So she put a note in here, and it says things get up in the night, and look how cute. She's got washi samples, and I love these tags, though. But the tags, though. Okay, so the paper is gorgeous. And I love your placement of your stickers. And look at this. This is this book belongs to Please Return with Care. Love that she used paint. Or she might have used ink. But I love that. She has a tuck spot over here with this beautiful tag in this bag, right? But then there is a tiny tuck spot over here. And then look, I love how she cut this. So creative and such clean lines, which I appreciate. Look at this trim here. So then there's this page. It's got, I want to make sure I'm on camera. Okay. It's got this tuck spot. Beautiful paper. So I love this. So she's got like this tuck spot down here, but it's in the shape of like she used a punch or something. There is this mason jar that is in the second tuck, and then there's a third tuck back here where she's got like there's a bunch of papers so you can write or have it. This book's gorgeous. So then there's this page. Love this paper. And look how this paper looks like this, but she stuck these little stickers on there. And she made an actually matted waterfall. See, I'm gonna have to steal this idea too. I need to get a notepad beside me and be like, yep, matted waterfall. Which y'all know I'm really good at the matted waterfalls because I make different books with it. But this is a genius idea to mat the waterfall. So then there is, and this is amazing. Is this a sticker? But it has like the feel of like plastic. And there's a tuck spot here. And I love that she just put this on here to like give it, I love that. That's creative. And look down here. This paper is amazing. And then the tuck spot. And she does have a pocket here with, oh, that's a beautiful mat. It says Happy Halloween. Oh, that paper's cool. The feel of it. So then there is, oh, look how creative this is. So she cut the top out to make like a pocket that holds a tag. But then she's got all these die cuts that are like felt. And I don't want to take them completely out. Oh, they're stickers. How cool is that? And here for Donna. I don't know why I ate pepper. I'm actually allergic to pepper, but I really like pepper in my food. Alright, so then, oh my god. Sorry, I had to get far away because I don't want to sneeze on the book. Okay, hold on. Cleanliness. Alright, so good. So I'm just let my hands dry a little bit. Look how cool this is, but look at this mat though. It's velvet. I have an obsession with velvet, if y'all didn't know. Look here. Zoe, I'm recording a video. Sorry. And then, look how pretty this is. And look at the cauldron. Oh, wow. Do y'all see this? It's like plastic almost. I don't know what she used to make that, but it's amazing. And there's a little bitty tag, Magic in the Air. Wow. Here's a bookmark. This is the cutest idea. I mean, like, I'm going to do that. Oh, you know what? I know why. Okay, I'm slow. She's probably like, no, it's pockets. She has pockets at the top. So that's why I'm like, but that would be a cute idea. There's, and look, it's velvet. So that's why there's trim coming out. Hold on. Is because she's got these beautiful tags coming out the top. There's that one. I'm kind of slow. Don't mind me. I'm getting it. All right, here's where we're at. Hold on. So this was a tuck spot, which is genius. Love the gold. And then here, where, look how beautiful this tag is. And there is a tuck spot here. And the same thing here. It's a tuck here, and there is a tuck here, and this is gorgeous. Where there is imagination, there's no war. That's funny. I'm dying to see you. Love that. Alright, and there's another mat here. So pretty. Alright, and then, oh look guys, this is ribbon that she made tucks out of. That I've never seen. That's creative. There's another one. Love this paper. And I want to make sure, okay. So then there's tuck spots. Look at this paper though. So good. And then there is a pocket here. And look how cute these are. These are adorable. Adorbs. Alright, let me kind of fan them out the way she had it. Alright, but then, in this paper, look at this. She's got a tuck spot right here. This beautiful tag. And then, oh, look at this. Do y'all see the face? And the tree and the moon? Look how cool that is. And look how cool this is. Okay, so that is amazing. Love that. Love these. Alright, so there's a tuck spot down here, and she's got these beautiful glittery skulls, and I'm sure she die cut it out. Listen to me. She made a paper clip, which was so generous and sweet. And then she's got this bag with all kinds of die cuts, and then she has more die cuts in here. So cute. And then we're gonna go put that back. And then behind the bag is a pocket, and she made this beautiful tag. Alright, so then, okay, putting that back. Alright, so then, oh, look how this is good. See the trim? That's super creative. And then there's this page that has a pocket with some more of the pages to write. And then it says, we aren't you spectacular. Look at this tiny little tag. Oh, look at the mustache. And the mustache is glitter. It says boo. I love that. Alright, I want to make sure I'm not missing. This is cute. She made a belly band. And there is a journaling card. I want to put it back in the way she had it because it matches the paper. And then here is another bookmark. And she's got this really cute tuck right here, which is a spider web. And then a tag that comes out here, which is gorgeous. And then look, oh my gosh, it's Brad. It's a Brad. Okay, so look, guys. How cool is this? This is so creative. Wow. So, and then what's cool about it is it all folds up into the Brad, and she's got this tuck up here. And then there's a tuck spot up here with this cute little frame. And there's a tuck down here with these cute little tags. And then she's got a mat in here. Okay. And then look how it's that pretty paper. Eat, drink, and be scary. And then she made a fabric tag. Happy Halloween, so cute. Look at this. This bat is a belly band. And she made a journaling card that goes behind him. So cute. And then there's another mat in here. Love that. The list. Love this feel of this paper though. I love, gray's my favorite color. So this book to me is like amazing because gray, isn't it weird that my favorite color is gray, but it really is. And so this book is just like all of my favorite things. All of my favorite things. Alright. Amazing belly band. And then look how cute this is. This is super cute. So she has a pocket here. A pocket here. And a pocket here. How creative is that? So there is another mat here. This is so cute. And then she has this spot. So it is a tuck here, and it says, home is where you hang your broom for real. And it's 31st, if the broom fits. Love that. And the velvet paper. This is Anna V, handmade by Anna V, the tiny crafter. There's a double pocket, and there's gray everywhere. This beautiful fabric tag. And then that is the back. But how adorable. Like this fabric, this whole book screams to me. Black and gray. But, so thank you, Robert. Thank you for coming in and joining it. Donna, it's an amazing book. And I hope that you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.